Hello students, in this video we are going to check session variables. Session is an alternative way to make data accessible across the various pages of an entire website. The other way to store the user data is using cookie. A session creates a file in a temporary directory on the server where registered session variables and their values are stored. This data will be available to all pages on the site during that visit. There are 4 session methods. First one, session start. A session is started with the session start method. Second is session unset. If you want to unset the value of all session variables, you will use session unset method. Third one is session destroy. It is to remove all the session variable and its value from the server. Fourth one is set. It is used to check whether session variables are set or not. To create session variables, we have to use a PHP global variable $_session. The syntax for creating a session variable is $_session in square bracket, the session variable name is equal to value. Always $_session keyword must be in capital. First we will check how to create a session variable. So in PHP you will start with $PHP. Session underscore start is the first method which will specify the browser that session variables we have to create or we have to restore. $_session in square bracket, the variable name is equal to value. So we have created 2 session variable, favorite color, favorite animal, and values given for them are green and cat. And we are just displaying a message, echo session variables are set. So this is a simple page where we have created 2 session variables with a name as favorite color, favorite animal. This is a second example where we have retrieved the value from the session variables. So always we first have to say session underscore start, whether we want to create the session variable, whether we want to restore the session variable. First line will be always session underscore start. Then we have retrieved the value of the session variables and we have displayed it using an echo statement. So we said echo favorite color is, as it is a string, it's in double quotes, dot for concatenation, $_session in square bracket, the variable name from which we want to retrieve the value. So we want to retrieve the value from favorite color variable. So we have given the variable name in square bracket. Dot again is used for concatenation, and BR tag, it is for moving to the next line. So favorite color we have stored as green, so that will get displayed using echo. Next is we are displaying the favorite animal. So that animal value we have stored it under favorite animal variable. So using session variable we can retrieve it. So this is a simple way to create a session and to retrieve it. The next example is if you want to update the session variable values, you can update the session variable values. So session underscore start is always the first method. Then you can use the $_session variable in square bracket, the variable name is equal to new value. So favorite color is the variable we have created in the first example. We have given the initial value as green. Now we have modified it to yellow. So the value of the favorite color will be modified to yellow. So if we are displaying it using an echo statement, echo favorite color is $_session in square bracket, the favorite color variable, the output will be yellow. In the previous case, it was green. Next statement is echo favorite animal is $_session in square bracket, the favorite animal. So we have not modified the value for favorite animal, so it will be as it is. Next example is how we can delete the session variable values. So session start. So it will give the idea to server session has to be started. Session underscore unset. This is the method with the help of which you can remove all the session variable values. Variable will be as it is, but values will be deleted. Next is session underscore destroy. It will delete the values as well as the session variables from the server end. Now with the help of if condition, we are checking whether session variables are present. If they are present, display the value. Otherwise, we will specify that variables are not present. So with the help of if condition, we are saying if is set in bracket dollar underscore session, in square bracket the variable name. So if favorite color variable is present and it is set with some value, the output will be favorite color is and the color which we have stored. Otherwise, it will display favorite color is not set. Similar to this, we have created a second variable for storing a favorite animal value. So with the help of if condition, we are first checking whether the value is set or not. If the session variable is set, it will display the value. Otherwise, again, it will display a error message. So isSet is the method to check whether session variable is set or whether it's created or not. Thank you.